Hello guys, welcome back to Lizcraft YouTube channel. In this video, I would like to teach you how to make a crochet headband. Please remember to like this video, and also please, if you have not subscribed to this channel, please click on the subscribe button. And this is the headband I'll be teaching you how to make. It's a simple one, and the rows can be changed to any color. Just attach your button to it, then you can change the color to match the outfits you want. And this headband measures around 1¼ inches, so you can make it to any measurement you want by increasing the number of stitches or reducing it. You'll be needing a tape measure, you'll be needing your crochet hook. I'll be using a 4mm hook for this project. This is a 4mm hook, and also a ball of yarn. So you can use any color based on the background color that you want for your project. I'll be using a white color of yarn for this project. So to start with, I'll be using 2 strands of my ball of yarn. This is based on the thickness you want. You can make use of 1 based on the thickness of your yarn. So as you can see, like I said earlier, it's a simple headband, and you can adjust the rows to any color just by attaching your button, and it stretches also. You can see the way it stretches, so you have to take note of that because it stretches, and it measures around 1¼ inches. I have 5 stitches here, so if you want to reduce it, you just have to reduce the number of stitches you have. I have 5. If you want to increase it, you can increase the number of stitches by increasing your foundation chain. So for this, I'll be starting with my foundation chain. So we'll start by making the slip knot. So after making a slip knot, I'll be making my foundation chain. I'll be making a total number of 11 chain. I'll be using 11. So if you want your stitches to be 4, you have to reduce it by 2. That will be 9 stitches for your foundation chain. And if you want it to be bigger, you can increase it by 2. That will be 13. So now I have 11 chains now. 11 now. So I'll be skipping 4. Although the first 3 will be serving as my first stitch, the 4th one will be my skipped chain. So these 4, then I'll be starting from the 5th chain from the hook. So the first 3, which is my first stitch, then the 4th one is the one I skipped. So I'll be starting from the 5th one. Then you chain 1, yarn over, skip a chain, and then you insert in the 2nd chain, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, and then pull through. Chain 1 again, you skip another chain, then you insert in the next one, pull through, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. So again, make a chain 1, you yarn over, then you insert in the last chain, which is the 5th stitch now. So this is what I have. So to continue with this, I'll be adding a chain of 4. 1, 2, 3, and then 4. Remember, the 4th one is my skipped chain, is my additional chain rather, and I'll be inserting every stitch now, after making a chain of 1 in between the stitch, that is the skipped chain in the previous row, chain 1, the skip chain in the previous row, I will insert my hook, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. Then I will continue like that till I get to the end of the row. So this is my row 2 now. So chain 4 again, yarn over, then insert to the skipped chain from the previous row, yarn over, chain 1, then you continue chain 1, insert in the skipped chain, chain 1, then insert in the skipped chain. So this is how you continue your project till you get the desired length you want. So I'll meet you at the end of the row. So this is what I have after making several rows. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. So I have 25 rows here. So based on the length you want, that's what you need to do. So I'll be pulling through the last loop, and then I'll cut my yarn so as to pull through finally, so as to fasten the end of this project. So these measures around, I have 14 and quarter. This is almost 14 and a half. After stretching and haul, I should be having 17. You should stretch to 17. So you can just reduce, you need to know how your work will stretch so as to know what you will make exactly. Now I'll be needing this headband for a circumference of around 17. So my measurement without stretching is 14 and a half. So after stretching, it goes to 17. So now you insert your tapestry needle, and then you secure the end. Please don't mind the rays of light. So sorry for that. So you just join the edges together, bringing it from the front to the back, from the front then to the back, then you pull from the front to the back, then you pull from the front to the back, you pull, so you get to the end. And after you get to the end, so the yarn you have at the end, you can just tie the two together. So let me just do this end also, so as to make it equal. So I'll just tie this together with this also. Then I'll pull the needle through the edging I made to the other end, just to secure the ends, so that it won't lose easily. Then I'll tie it together again. So I have the two ends secured. Then I'll cut the yarn off, the excess yarn off. So if you have anything to secure the ends, I make use of a lighter, so I'll just secure the ends with a lighter. And just please be careful so as not to burn your project. So this is what I have. Our headband is ready. So if you want to use it like this, you can use it. So see now, this is 17 inches. It measures 8.5 to 17 inches for the circumference. So where we close the edge, that's where you will attach your rose flower to. So you'll be making use of a press button. It has two ends. You can see the one that is pointed, the pointed end. So when you attach your pointed end to your background, then the other one with the hole will be on your flower. If you have the one with the hole on your background, then you have the one with the pointed one on your flowers. That's if you be using different colors of flowers, so you just remove the ones with the pointed heads and then you put it on the different flowers you have, so that you can easily attach it to the background color you are using. So if you have 10 flowers, you can easily change it. Just be careful and make sure that when you use the pointed one on the flowers, you use the other hand on the background. So that's the way it works. So you can just use any color of flowers and match it with any clothes you'll be wearing, and you are good to go. So this is our beautiful headband. Thank you so much guys for watching this video. Please remember to like, share and also subscribe to this channel. We'll be expecting you in my next video. Bye bye.